See what's going on now?
Attacking, Dad.
It's raining.
They're attacking.
So we're gonna pull these panels down. I ain't putting no screw holes in my roof. Yeah, it's ice.
Nice.
It's supposed to snow.
Dad, they're attacking. Dad.
And there was a 10% chance of bad weather. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to Scratch Outdoors. Hey, today we're gonna get these panels put up. Left them here the last time, but we got daylight. Now you can see outside. We got some daylight, and I got my son with me so he can help me. So I'm gonna find this butyl tape right quick, because I have no idea where it is. I got the wind cranked up just now. Definitely want to get these panels up there. Then I can move on to the next step with that. I think I'm gonna put that jack on the front of here that I had sitting over there on the table for a year. That one. 12-volt trailer jack, electric trailer jack. But yeah, find this butyl tape. Found the butyl tape. And some more. I remember it peeling easier than that. Okay, let's just use this one. That's stuck to the cardboard. That's what I'm supposed to do. Set that up against that for me. Oh, never mind, hold on. I gotta put one more piece on it. Alright.
And so I tried to open the door in the car. He said, no, I was gone. I'm going to take my coat off. He said it was cold outside. I was gone, man.
It's not cold, but it's not hot outside. The wind's blowing, it's cold. I'm not gonna let you get sick if I can help it. Alright, now I can set that over. That joint almost bigger than you. Just lean it. It should be good. Like, thank you, kind sir. Yeah. That guy.
I'm in the camera, man. I'm in the camera.
Go eat your pizza. This guy. know y'all don't want to see me cut 16 pieces of tape, so I'll be back in a sec. All right, guys, I got all the butyl tape on the back of the panel. I got a lazy little fella in there. I don't know if y'all can see him. Like he's something wrong with him. He in there being lazy. And guess what? My heat stopped working. So something's causing this heat not to work properly. I don't know if it's wiring or what. I hear it click, but it don't cut on. I hear it click, but it doesn't. I don't know what's wrong with it. Anyway, so it's not working today. Anywho, it's not that bad. Anyways, that's why I picked a warm day to come up here. Not because I didn't know it was gonna work, but you know what the hell. Let me get these panels up on the roof. I see y'all up on top of the roof. Can't find that little bracket. So 3 of those panels, okay. So 3 panels can go right there fine. 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, boom. I can run the extension all the way over here. The other 3 are gonna have to go right there. So 3 here and 3 over there. I'm gonna go get the other 2 panels and I'm gonna let you stand over there and put them over there.
And put what?
Actually, we can just put two of these over there. Or we can put 3. We can put the long one. I'm trying to figure out the layout. 3 got to go on one side and 3 on the other side. All right, so let's put 2 over there. So go ahead and step on them in the middle. I don't know if you can see these cross members, but that's where you need to really walk at on them. Yeah, right there. Once the wind died in, why is it so windy? It blows up. All right, we're gonna do that. We're gonna move 3 of these panels over there, and then I'll bring the other 2 up for this side. That's fine. I just want you to lay it down. Don't drag it. Alright, just hold tight right there. Hold tight right there. See what we got here. That's right there. Take this one. Let's take it. Let's take it. Just hold it. Got it. Hold it right there. Alright guys, I'm trying to figure out this solar setup up here because I needed to land on a rafter. Yeah, so let me figure that out and I'll be right back. Well guys, so much for screwing down the panels.
Oh God, Dad, we gotta go. They're attacking.
See what's going on now?
They're attacking, Dad.
It's raining.
They're attacking.
So we're gonna pull these panels down. I ain't putting no screw holes in my roof. Yeah, it's ice.
Nice.
It's supposed to snow.
Dad, they're attacking. Dad.
And there was a 10% chance of bad weather. And yeah, we're getting it. Alright, so we're gonna get these panels off the roof and get inside. Get the other one. Go ahead down. I'm gonna sit them. I'm gonna hand them to you. Shit. Or do you want to hand them?
One hand to you, the other one to you.
Careful. Snow? Oh my
It's
God.
snow, Dad.
They said nothing about snow
Dad.
at all.
Dad, we gotta go.
Oh.
Oh, Lordy, Lord. So we're taking all of them off?
No, I might try to, Ben, might just try to put that side down. So hold tight right there. No, look. See, look over there.
Oh. That's really cool. And those clouds are really
Y'all
black.
see that? Look at that.
Look at the black clouds. No, black cloud.
be that specific about every detail of the thing. It's not that serious. Yeah, it's a rainbow and the sun's out. You can go ahead, I'm just saying. Alright guys, we got rain off the roof by the weather. See the panels are wet. We got them all. We got a little wet. It was snowing and raining. I don't know what it's doing out there. They ain't called for all that. They said it might like a 10% chance at some point. And I guess we got that. Can't get nothing done. Anyhow. Alright guys, I wasn't able to figure out the heat. For some reason it's not switching it on. But you did that the last time. I'm not sure if it's not getting enough voltage. I don't have a multimeter with me to check stuff. Anyhow. Frustrated now. Heat not working again. Weather acting up on me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share with your friends. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Scratch Outdoors. Peace.